At First Texas Roofing, we know that getting a roof replacement in Benbrook, Texas can feel overwhelming. That's why we've created a complete roof replacement checklist just for you, so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. It begins with a detailed inspection carried out by our experienced residential roof replacement experts in Tarrant County, Texas. We handle it for free, safely checking shingles, flashing, vents, decking, and gutters. Weather can be tough on a roof, so seasonal checks are a smart move. Once we've inspected, we provide a clear written estimate with every option explained. Next, you choose your material and color, whether it's shingles, metal, or tile. Then we walk you through warranties, financing, and any needed approvals. We verify our credentials, share references, and show you past projects so you feel confident in your choice. Before installation day, prepare your property by clearing the driveway. On the day itself, you'll meet your crew lead, do a quick walkthrough, and watch us protect your home before we remove the old roof and install the new one with precision. We finish with a complete cleanup, magnetic nail sweep, and a final walkthrough. You receive photos, warranty details, and peace of mind, knowing your roof was replaced with skill and care. Let First Texas Roofing guide you through your roof replacement in Benbrook, Texas, with a simple, direct, and stress-free process. Call today for your free roof inspection and let us check every box together.